Hey everyone, Anthony here. Today I'm going to be setting up one of the Pentagon shaped tarps that I've been making. I do apologize if it's taken a little while. I know some people have been asking for them. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and show everyone kind of the adjustments that I made to it and how I've been making them. And here's a quick shot of the tarp setup with the corner guy lines out, which will raise the whole canopy and increase airflow. Sorry, I had to shut the camera off and cover it as it started raining. And I had to rush to get all my stuff inside. So I'm all set up. I'll take a quick walk around, kind of go over a few things. The first thing I did different on this one is I sewed the reinforcement patches. I was experimenting with some 3M double-sided tape, but for high stress points such as this, it's got a very thick carrier on it and adhesive on both sides, and with a lot of stress the carrier kind of deforms and keeps that shape. I'm also worried about the longevity on the Silpoly, since it is a PU silicone blend. It doesn't seem to stick quite as well as pure silicone. Corner tie outs reinforced and box stitched. And what I did on the side tie outs is I went ahead and sewed a piece of 1/2 inch grove grain 3 inches long right into the seam, and then I triple tacked 2 spots. And this is plenty strong for the amount of tension that's going to be on this particular tie out. This is a regular length sleeping bag. I'm 5'10". You can see how much extra room there is at the head end and the foot end. One other thing worth mentioning is this pole needs to be set up on an angle towards the outside, because the peak is going to be somewhere kind of around the edge or above you just a little bit. So you just got to kick it out at an angle towards the outside of the tarp. Plenty of room to sit up. I got about, I'd say almost a foot above my head going up to the peak. And there's plenty of extra room all around for your gear for one person. So as far as weight goes, you're looking at about 8.4 to 8.5 ounces without any guy lines. And I'm currently using Zing-It on this tarp. I put them in stuffed sacks of the same material. Starting to rain here, so sorry if I have to rush this a little bit. Corner tie outs, 300 Hyper D. Fast XD rings at the moment, leaving about an extra inch. Side tie outs, bottom, and the top. And got the Hyper D 300 peak reinforcement, and I'm also leaving some extra there that'll stick out from your pole, so you can clip stuff onto it. Eventually, I do want to make some internets for these. So that's the updated version of the Pentagon shaped tarp that I'm making. I appreciate everyone watching. Take care.